1U360 AR Welding Trainer is a portable augmented reality welding simulator, a welding training device that seamlessly combines traditional welding techniques with modern simulation technology. The system consists of an operator's carrying case, an AR-integrated handheld display device, an interactive training manual with process cards, a high-precision simulated welding torch, a 360 degrees adjustable universal mount, and a multifunctional simulated workpiece. It is equipped with a welding helmet and a physical welding torch, and the welding rod features an automatic melting function, achieving a seamless integration of virtual and physical elements. All equipment components are stored in two small carrying cases, making them easy to transport and flexible to set up. When students scan the welding procedure card, the system automatically identifies the corresponding workpiece type and generates a 3D model of the workpiece, simulating a real-world welding task. The system features millisecond-level sensing and modeling capabilities. By collecting data on the student's handheld welding torch operations and processing it through the device, the system automatically generates real-time images of the corresponding operations. Students can view the 3D simulated welding process on the display in real time while performing the task, without the need to wear a headset. Based on the collected data, the system determines whether the student's technique is correct and provides real-time corrections for any issues during the welding process through visual displays and intelligent voice prompts. The welding process is highly realistic, featuring a detailed simulation of the molten pool reaction. It realistically depicts the arc, sparks, welding sounds, cooling fluorescence, and heat-affected zone effects. Upon completion of the weld, users can view a highly realistic weld bead, and the system supports virtual slag removal operations. Simulated welding equipment emits no electromagnetic radiation and poses no risk of injury from intense light or high temperature. No safety hazards such as burns or fires. No chemical pollution and no consumables, allowing beginners to practice repeatedly and quickly master basic welding skills. This training system provides simulation training for gas-shielded arc welding and stick welding, including 10 arc control techniques, such as arc striking, and basic skill training, including arc extinguishing. It covers but welding of plates and pipe-to-plate joints in various materials, such as low-carbon steel and low-alloy steel, and supports training in multiple welding positions, including flat, horizontal, vertical, and overhead. A report with text and images is automatically generated after the training session. This makes it easy for instructors to track progress, provide targeted guidance to participants, and allows participants to review and improve their performance after class. 1U360 AR Welding Trainer is portable, quick to assemble and disassemble, and easy to set up in various configurations. It covers basic welding courses and practical skills training, meeting the requirements for introductory instruction. It is affordably priced and offers excellent value for money. Technology empowers welding, innovation leads the future.